Good afternoon, folks. Big Bo here with another great travel trailer value from Parkway RV Center. Today we're going to list another little travel trailer, 2015 KZ Sportsman. This is the model number 14. For those of you just looking for a little basic, lightweight travel trailer, you're going to like this one. It's 15 foot long, including the tongue. Well, only weighs 2,100 pounds, so if you've got a smaller vehicle to tow with, you'll appreciate that. Got some nice upgrades. Got the power tongue jack on the front. Got the diamond shield to protect the paint. Got an awning. Got a nice little aluminum rack here on the back. You know, this would be ideal. I know a lot of deer hunters like these smaller campers because you can tow them with a smaller vehicle. So you've got a little rack in the back for a generator, firewood. If you shoot a deer or something like that, got a place to put it. So striping and finish looks good. Corners aren't beat up. Does have the upgrade DSI water heater instead of the manual light, so you just flip a switch and your water heater will light. 30 amp service electrical, of course. And just a neat little camper. You know, for those of you just want something basic, easy to use, just unhook it and use it. Here you go. The only thing cosmetically I see is some of the decals on the window cover are peeling a little bit. Other than that, everything in this thing looks great. It's a little single axle trailer, so easy to back into the spot. Looking inside, folks, like I said, just everything you need, nothing you don't, just for a couple, or, you know, your front area up here makes a bed. Your table goes down, put your cushions across, you got a full-size bed. You got a little sofa right here that, well, sleeps one. It doesn't fold out or anything. You just have a little bunk right there. So theoretically, on paper, you can sleep three, but it's really a couple's camper. And I've got another one I just shot last night that's just a couple of feet longer than this, but it's got bunks in it. So if you're needing something to sleep multiple people, I've got that one as well. Got a Norcold RV refrigerator freezer. Runs off LP or electric. Got a little stovetop microwave. This is pretty cool. This is what I like about these smaller trailers. You know, you're not talking about a lot of square footage right here. You're probably, what, 6.5 wide, 14-foot box maybe. I mean, you put a pencil of that, you're only talking 70, 80 square feet. So you don't need a great big window top air unit. This has just got and this is factory, just a simple window unit, probably 6,000 BTU. And the advantage of that is, it's all you need in here, of course. That'll run you out of here. And if you ever have to replace this, you're talking a couple $100 in a Walmart versus $1,500 and several hours labor for a rooftop unit. So that's going to save you a lot of money right there. I think my jump box is starting to die, starting to beep on us. I just got the battery hooked into a jump box. But plus, for those of you who are going to use this as a deer hunting camper or something to boondock camp in, so you can take like that little generator I use. I've got a little 2,000 watt generator I use sometimes, and it'll run. You don't have to have a 4,000 watt generator to run like you have to have for a rooftop unit. You can run this with a little 2,000 or 2,500 watt generator, and that's all you need to run that little window unit. So you can get one of those little quiet Hondas, or like that little one I use. I paid $500 for on Amazon. It's quiet as they come, and it'll run all day on a gallon of gas. But anyway, some nice features. Got plenty of storage. Got a little radio right here, a little CD player. You know, for a small camper, this thing has got a fair amount of storage. You know, down here, of course, you got a little storage in the kitchen area. Up top, you've got a little storage. This looks a little rack somebody's made for in here. Got a rear bathroom. Got a little tub. Toilet. Of course, your sink's out here. You just use your kitchen sink. You're only talking about a 15-foot camper, folks. I mean, Be honest with you, this the square footage of this camper is the size of a small restroom, but you've got everything in here: living room, bedroom, kitchen, and bathroom in that little area. Well, this is probably smaller than the bathroom in your home. But, you know, if you're looking for something simple, easy to use, this is hard to beat. No slide out you have to worry about. None of those power jacks. You got the crank down stabilizers. It's simple, easy to do. Something that you can unhook it from your vehicle. In 5 minutes, you're camping. Just plug it into power, water, sewer if you've got full hookups, and you're good. Put your awning out if you want to. Just a simple manual spring-loaded awning that's real easy to use that we'll show you how to use. You can leave your bed folded out all the time if you want to. No carpet in here, nothing real complicated to clean. I mean, you want to clean your camper, it probably take you 15-20 minutes. So, like I said, for those of you who want something small, simple, inexpensive, here you go. $79.95. What you get for that $79.95, you get a lot more than just the camper. Of course, you get the camper. It will be sent through our service department. We're going to go through it, do a major systems check, make sure everything on it works like it's supposed to on our checklist. Repair anything if it doesn't work at no additional charge to you. That's included for the $79.95 price. Also included is a 90-day nationwide limited warranty that we purchase on your behalf just for your peace of mind, accepted in a network of dealers nationwide. That's also included at no additional charge at $79.95. You get, of course, the unit gets cleaned up inside and out after service. Then we call you, set up an appointment for you to pick up your new-to-you travel trailer. Once you arrive here at the appointed time, the RV tech that checked it out is going to do a personal one-on-one orientation with you, a walkthrough, show you everything on his list works like it's supposed to, answer any questions you have, show you the repairs he had to make, and more. All that, and help you hook it to your vehicle too. All that's included for that low $79.95 price. You get 21 nights of free camping up to 7 nights at a time in a 12-month period at select RV resorts nationwide. That's included for the $79.95 price. You get a 45-day drive-out tag. You get a starter kit with your water hose, sewer hose, chemicals, toilet paper, and more. Included, $79.95. Wow, folks. That's a lot of stuff for under $8,000. For the option A $79.95 price, basically, folks, you got a camper checked out, ready to go to the campground. Throw you some luggage and food in it, you're good to go. $79.95, no surprise fees, plus applicable sales tax. We're a one-price store. That means we're a haggle-free dealership. That's the price, plus applicable sales tax. Your sales tax amount, of course, will vary on where you live and how you're paying for it. If you want to estimate on your sales tax, everybody's got to pay some form of it. Contact my sales department, 706-965-7929. Tell them where you live, how you're paying for it. They'll get you an accurate sales tax estimate, as well as tell you if you pay us or your county's DMV office when you title it and tag it. But, like I said, basic little camper, easy to use. We'll check it out so you don't have any problems, $79.95. You get all those features and benefits, including the warranty, or if you want to do the option B, which is the only way we discount our low prices, option B is you buy it as is, no inspection, no warranty, no free camping, no orientation, just a hook to your vehicle and go price only. If you want a price on that, contact my sales department. They'll be happy to get you a option B haggle-free price as well. Come look at it, spend some time in it, get to know it a little bit, if you are able to, before deciding to buy. Please call ahead. Make sure this unit's available before traveling down here, folks. I never delete my YouTube videos. I've got stuff on there going back to 2010. And I've got literally 2,500 videos on there. So keep in mind, just because you see the video doesn't mean it's available. If you're not sure, give us a call. As always, call ahead and make sure it's available. And even if this video several months old or a couple of years old, we may have something similar with a similar price that we can sell you as well. So when you got 150 used RVs, folks, you're not lacking for inventory. Let's just say that. I mean, chances are if I don't have this one, I've got something just like it for the same price or maybe less. So keep that in mind. That's why you always call ahead to make sure it's available. Just because something's online doesn't mean it's available. Keep in mind, we advertise and sell nationwide. In fact, about 80-85% of our sales are to people that live hundreds of miles away or more. I mean, today's Saturday morning, or right at lunch on Saturday, and I've got people out here with Kentucky tags. I've got Ohio tag out here. I've got people flying in later today from up north to pick up a motorhome. So chances are, I mean, we don't just sell local, we sell nationwide because of our low prices. And all it takes is a 5-minute phone call and a credit card to leave a deposit on something. It's off the market. So please call ahead and make sure it's available. Call ahead, of course. We don't check them out till we sell them. So call ahead, get a copy of our inspection sheet from our non-commissioned sales department. You can see everything that we inspect and repair if needed for the price you pay. And that $79.95 price plus tax is guaranteed, folks. It doesn't go up if we have to, because we have to fix a few things on the camper and spent more than we intended to. You're guaranteed a functional camper with all the systems on that list working flawlessly for that $79.95 price. You get the warranty, you get the free camping, the orientation, and more, all for $79.95. Not $79.95 plus dock fees and prep fees and tag and title fees and inspection fees. I just had a customer yesterday that went to the rip-off world up the street looking at a $12,000 or $13,000 little small camper like this. They wanted to charge him $2,800 in fees plus his sales tax. So you don't have to worry about that here, folks. We're a one-price store, haggle-free. That doesn't matter how you're paying for it. We do have financing available with approved credit, nationwide deliveries available. Keep in mind, though, 10% down payment is mandatory for financing with either cash or trade equity. Do take trade-ins, folks, and we'll trade for other things that other RV dealers won't trade for. We're not afraid to trade for vehicles, boats, lawn equipment, guns, jewelry, gold, silver, coin collections. Folks, I mean, I'm telling you, we've traded for anything and everything. If we can find a value on it, we're not afraid to put a trade-in figure on it. And as long as we can legally sell it and don't have to feed it every day, we're good to go. But thank you for watching. If you got any questions, our phone number is 706-965-7929. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just hit the subscribe button and click on the bell notification so you get notified every time I post a video, which is, I try to do at least one a day, sometimes two a day. Depends on how busy I am. And got plenty of inventory in stock. Like I said, we're the largest inventory of used RVs in a 500-mile radius. We got over 150 plus used RVs. Probably over 160 now, to truth be known, but I'll just say 150 for now. And we're the only dealership around that you can come out, park your vehicle, don't have to go through a sales office, don't have to give the salespeople your personal information before they even let you set foot on the lot. You can park your vehicle in customer parking, get out, walk around the lot, everything's open, everything's priced. Look at your own leisure, with or without a salesperson. Though everybody else has got their inventory locked up behind a fence where you have to go through a sales office before you can even get into the prison yard, is what I call it. And before they even let you look at RVs, but not here. I mean, everything's open, everything's priced, and this is our philosophy. We've been doing this for 50 years, folks. Everybody here is an adult. You know, you're looking at something that, we know an RV is something that is a want, not a need. It's something you don't have to buy. So we're not going to go around and pressure you and put a pretty much a smoking gun to your head to make you buy like a lot of other dealers do. Everybody's an adult. We'd rather you come to us when you're ready to buy instead of we come to you. And you know, if we have to talk you into it, folks, and you don't want it, then you obviously got reasons not to want it in the first place. And that's our philosophy. We want you to come to us to buy when you are ready. Don't understand these dealers that get your personal information and call you up 10 times a day, text you, email you, and bug the piss out of you until you buy or you tell them to buzz off. Don't understand how dealers can do that to customers on RVs. I never understood that. We've never done that in 50 years. We don't even have commissioned salespeople, folks. Everybody here's on salary, so they get paid the same whether you buy one or not. So they're here to answer your questions and, you know, help you find the RV you're looking for. Thank you for watching. Family owned and operated since 1968. We sell 500 to 600 used RVs a year. Come out, check us out. 706-965-7929 is our phone number. It's answered 24/7. We have an answering service for after hours. We're closed on Sunday, of course, Faith and Family Day. But we're open Monday through Saturday, 9 to 6, Monday through Friday Eastern Time, 9 to 5 Saturday. Websites, parkway.rvcenter.com, made it real easy for those of you watching this on YouTube. Click on the video description below. I'll have a link in the first paragraph. The website will have a whole lot more information than the video. It'll have as much information as I can possibly give you without you physically being here. It'll have pictures. It'll have a factory sales brochure from KZ Sportsmen. It'll have finance application, trade-in appraisal forms, specs, weights, tank sizes, and much more on the website, parkway.rvcenter.com. Or if you're on YouTube, click on the link in the video description. It'll take you right to my used travel trailer page. Thank you again for watching. Check out this little Sportsman. Won't last long. Everybody wants these little ones. They're hard to find. And if you'd bought this thing brand new and financed it, there's no way you could afford to sell it for what we're selling this one for after you paid on it for 4 years. You'd owe a few $1,000s more than $79.95. Trust me on that. Thank you for watching. Look forward to seeing you in beautiful Ringgold, Georgia.